Hey, what's up everyone? Trent here at Precision Transmission. We've got an '07 Chevy Silverado Z71 4x4 Vortec Max Special. This is actually a special truck. It's got a 14-bolt rear end in it. It's got a 5-pinion 4L65E all the way through. You're probably wondering why this thing is backed up on the lift. The only thing that it had was reverse. So we had to compensate and back her up on the lift to get her out.
You say it locks down going forward, right?
Yeah, I think it locks down going forward in reverse. Or no, it goes in reverse, but in neutral it locks down, and then all your forward gears it locks down. It doesn't want to do anything. So you actually have to turn it off to let it roll.
Yeah.
But it just locks it down. But that's yeah, this is gonna be a good one. What are you doing over there?
Just to see what type of destruction it has. So
It's gonna be awesome. Yep, y'all guys stay tuned. It looks like I got a little digging to do, but we'll get this thing out in a timely manner. So there should be some carnage in that pan. We'll get back to y'all shortly. Have a great day. Boom, we're not messing around today. Getting things done. Getting the exhaust out of there. Man, let me tell you, it was a close one. We had a bolt have to come out of the manifold, but we got it out. Good to go. We're about to start draining our fluids. Get our converter bolts. Kind of go from there. Y'all guys stay tuned. This is about to get really interesting. Man, let me tell you, this is getting good already. So the transfer case fluid was darker than diesel oil, and the magnet looked like a dang porcupine when I pulled it out. So we're definitely gonna have to be looking at that, just getting that checked out. Can't put that back in there without having that looked at, definitely. Oh, whoa, come on, focus. Sorry, guys. But that bad boy right there is smoked. So can't wait to see what that looks like on the inside. So y'all guys stay tuned. Pan coming off next. So, as promised, I saved the best for last. I don't think y'all are ready for this. Not as bad as what I really thought it was going to be. Thought there was going to be some big chunks. But let me tell you, that still isn't good. Got a lot of flick in that transmission. So really going to have to flush out the cooler lines to get this thing taken care of. But we'll get it taken care of. Get it all the rest of the way out. And y'all stay tuned on a teardown video. It's gonna be pretty awesome. We're gonna have tear down the transmission and the transfer case. So y'all guys stay tuned. There she is. I failed to mention the whole time in the video I was working on this. We've had a couple of vehicles in since this one's came in. But this transmission has been built twice by the notorious shop in Amarillo that does just such a beautiful job that they've got to take it back 2-3 times. It's never right. This one's been built twice, and it's still got the factory converter in it. Twice this guy's taken this thing back and it's been built, and it still has a factory converter in it. The factory converter in it. I mean, what in the heck? I mean, that's pretty sad. But at least the guy found the right spot and the right shop to get him fixed up. So y'all guys stay tuned. Got a beautiful teardown from Richard Kreitz, my dad. Yours truly. Got a rear mainsail and cover to change. We'll have to look at that flywheel. Looks like they heated the flywheel up pretty hot there, so want to make sure it's not warped or anything. But thank y'all guys for watching. I hope y'all enjoy the video. If y'all need anything at Precision Transmission, y'all give us a call. Have a great day.